Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to download Maya software on our desktop or laptop. Follow my instructions carefully. Right click on Maya 252 disk file, then click on WinRAR extract to Maya 252. Now open Maya folder in Maya 252 folder. Then double click on setup file. Wait until it opens. Click on Next. Select Maya Developers Toolkit. Click on Next. Click OK. Wait until it downloads. Click on Next. Select No and click on Finish. Your software is successfully downloaded. Now we have to set up license file. Go to Crack folder. Open FlexLM folder. Copy flexlm.cpl file. Paste it in local disk C FlexLM folder. Go to Crack folder. Open AWE Crack. Copy SGI AWD file. Paste it in AW.com etc folder. Go back to Crack folder. Open AWE Crack. Copy AW1 file. Paste it in FlexLM folder. Open AW1 file. Enter your computer name. Save it and close it. Double click on flexlm.cpl file. Click on Setup. Browse the files as shown in the video. Select Use ND Services. Select Start Server. Click OK. Click on Yes. Click OK. Then again double click on flexlm.cpl. Click on Start. Click on Status. Click OK. Now restart your computer. Now try to open Maya software, but it raises an error because it is a licensed version. To overcome this problem, go to local disk C, open FlexLM folder, double click on flexlm.cpl, click on Start, click on Status, click on OK. Now your Maya software will work.